Tadadaan, tadadaan, ben. Lakas maka-virgin kahit hindi na virgin. Kaya sa mga kadang pagsusuotin nyo to, kita pati kaluluwa mo. So, bili na! Mwah. Ito ang panty na lakas maka-LP mga kadangs. Eleksyon na next year, LP Liberal Party, baka naman pang-endorse na ni Inday, Kuradang. Welcome back mga kadangers! Welcome dito sa ating Inday Kuradang channel. And for today's video is we are going to have our affordable, sexy, see-through lingerie haul part 4. Of course, mga kadangs, as I've said before, that we have our series of Lingeries haul, mga kadangs. And of course, this is so very requested, mga kadangs, to have this haul, mga kadangs. Marami na nag-aabang sa ating lingerie panty haul, mga kadangs. And of course, affordable also, mga kadang. How to get your 1,000 subscriber. So, if you want to get your 1,000 subscriber, of course, just make a video of a lingerie haul, mga kadangs. Galingan mo kung pwede. Try on mo. Of course, mga kadangs, kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe para masimulan na natin ang ating part 4 of our sexy lingerie haul, mga kadangs, please do hit the button below and of course ring the bell para ma-notified ka if ever mag-upload si Inday Kuradang og new video. Let's go! Yes, makadang's for lingerie number 1 is basic muna tayo, basic color. And for our number 1, this is the perversion color, of course, no other than, mga kadang's, the color, tada! The color white, mga kadang's. Of course, color white is the virgin color. Who's virgin there? Oh. Yes, so this is our lingerie number 1 and look at the details, mga kadangs. This is a lace. This is the front of the panty, mga kadangs. Ayan, lace, and then it has a ribbon on it. Ayan, very nice quality na lace, mga kadangs. And yung medal niya dyan is ganyan, sobrang nipis, very thin, malakas ang liki, mga kadangs. And of course, G-string siya, mga kadangs, and inat-inat, diba? And of course, meron siya dito adjustable para ma-adjust mo yun kung hindi ka siya sa hips mo. You can adjust it easily, mga kadangs. And then, the back is, of course, suksok lubot pa rin ang peg, mga kadangs. Very sexy and super sexy, mga kadangs. Look at that. At saka ganda ng quality. This is a very affordable lingerie, mga kadangs, but the quality is hindi halatang mumurahin lang siya, mga kadangs. Right. Next ating number 2. Next lingerie, mga kadangs. Alright. This is it, fanzit, unusual color for panties kasi bihira ko lang makikita yung ganitong kulay, but I have this color. I have a panty na ganitong color, mga kadangs, but I think for lingerie, this is unusual also, mga kadangs. And yeah, this is so very sexy also, mga kadangs. And yeah, let's count to 1 million. Tada! Diba? Liberal Party color yellow, mga kadangs. Malapit ng eleksyon. The vote buying is waving. Money is waving. My God. O, diba? Lakas maka-LP Liberal Party ng panty na ito, mga kadangs. And look at the detail. Meron siyang parang circle na kulay silver dyan, mga kadangs. And very stretchy ng ano niya, guys. Yeah. For siyang microfiber, yung material niya mga kadangs. Look at that. Diba? Sobrang nakaka-sexy yung design niya, though it is just a plain yellow out there mga kadangs, but this part right here is sobrang nakaka-sexy, and also G-string siya mga kadangs, diba? And then proceed tayo sa back niya. This is the back, of course, sup rin, and lakas maka ribbon dyan mga kadangs, diba? Meron siyang gold ba? No, diamond pala. Diamond design sa kanyang ribbon. And yeah, lakas maka sexy. Super sexy mga kadangs. And yeah, look at that. It's so very nice to have also a top, something bralette or bra na nito terno, kasi very sexy niya, and then the quality also is very good, and hindi siya halata talagang mumurahin mga kadangs. Yes, so this is my favorite so far because my favorite color is yellow. I love yellow. Lakas maka liberal party election is coming next year, and money is waving. So, of course, last but not the least mga kadangs, sa ating collection today, yes, no other than mga kadangs is Ben. Feminine ng color mga kadangs, color pink, always present sa ating collection. And look at the embroidery, lacy design, mesh siya mga kadangs, see-through na see-through. Look at that, diba? See-through yung mga legs, laki mga kadangs. And yeah, the middle design is pag ganyan, pa triangle, diba? Pag ganon. And then meron din siyang ganito, parang yung niya, dugtong is like that lang. And yeah, this is the front, and look at the back mga kadangs. OMG, lakas niyang makatibak, and perfect sa mga magaganda yung lubot or magandang shape yung mga balakang mga kadangs, yung parang talagang Ivana Alawi yung mga katawan. Super sexy talaga. Of course, pag naka-leggings ka, as in uyog dyan imong lubot, pag ganito ang susuotin mong kadangs, sobrang sexy, and the quality is good, though it is very affordable mga kadangs. This is our collection for today's part mga kadangs, and hope you like our collection for today's haul mga kadangs. And kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, please do hit the button below para ma-notified ka sa ating next panty lingerie haul mga kadangs. And of course mga kadangs, like this video and share this video mga kadangs, and see you na lang sa ating next video. Bye!